Hello and welcome back, everyone. This is going to be a short discussion of the executive summary format. You may recall that in Module 4, we started the official report, and one part of the official report was the executive summary. By the end of this unit, we will turn in both the executive summary and the official report as one document. So let's get started. This presentation will cover the location and purpose of the executive summary within the official report, as well as the different sections that make up the executive summary. As we learned in Module 4, the executive summary is usually the first section of the official report and summarizes the most important information, including essential data and findings, in 1 or 2 short paragraphs. This part of the report is essential because it allows readers to get a quick overview of the entire project and to develop an understanding of the work without having to read through all of the technical information within the report. You may recall from Module 4 that the assignment for the official report is to produce a document that is about 4 to 5 pages long. This means that our executive summary will be at minimum 2 paragraphs, but no more than 1 full page. Now, this is an example of an executive summary. I know that we cannot read it here on the screen the way that it is, and that is okay because this is actually an example from the next task in the class. However, I would like to take some time to look over the outline of this executive summary and to go over some of the parts. The first part in red here is the background. Now you'll notice that the background here is about a little over 2 paragraphs, but what it does is it explains the problem or the situation where the reporter thinks that something can be improved upon. So they identify some sort of issue and they think that they can make this a little bit better. There are at least 3 essential questions that we should be able to answer within this part of the executive summary. What is not working or not working as well as it could be? What potential change in a product or a service or a process does the person see that they think is necessary? And finally, what needs to be studied further to determine a new or a better solution or process? Our next section here is the major findings and conclusions. So this part of the executive summary can begin with a short description of the methods that were used to solve the problem identified in the project. There should also be at least 1 paragraph about any conclusions or findings and any recommendations. This can also include things like, this is not enough information and we need more time or we need to study this in a different way. You'll notice at the bottom of the page in the Canvas class, there is a section for tips and tricks for writing a good executive summary. Please take some time to look over this section as it gives specific examples of things to do and not to do in executive summaries. On the next page, you will see this executive summary sample again, and there will be some questions related directly to the content on this page. Thank you very much.